Hey guys, what's up? Echo here. Today we have a really exciting unboxing from thecubicle.us. Alright, so as you can see here we have two items. One is this Wuque mini 4x4, and I'm super excited about this one. And also we have some special things in this mystery package, so let's get into this one first. Ooh. So as you can see here, I have some Echo Cubes logos, and these are really exciting for me. You may know that I started a custom cube business at Quabbin 2018, and I'm going to continue that business, and I decided to get a bunch of assorted logos to put on the custom cubes that I sell. So these look really, really nice, and I'll be putting them on all of my mains from now on for sure. Alright, so now we can get into this Wuque mini 4x4. So far the box is really nice. And here we have the cube. So in my AoSu GTS-M review, I said that it was a really great cube, and it was pretty much the best if you didn't want to put a lot of work into an AoSu. But over time, it's actually gotten worse, which is pretty unfortunate. So I was pretty excited when I heard that the new Wuque was coming out, and I decided to pick it up to maybe replace the AoSu. So let's go ahead and do some first turns. So right out of the box, it's a really nice cube. It's pretty tight and dry right now, but those are things that can very easily be fixed. The stickerless shades look really great, just like the ones that come on the Wuque and Wuque, and I'm a huge fan of them. And yeah, I think it's a really great cube so far, just out of the box. And I will probably have to set it up after breaking it in, but for now, it's definitely a great cube. So compared to the Wuque, I don't really remember how mine was out of the box, but I imagine that they're pretty similar, and after setup, I'll have a much better idea on how the two compare. The inner layers do turn really nicely, and the magnets feel like a pretty good strength. They're definitely not overpowering to the turning. So I'm not very good at live impressions, but I'll probably have a solve or two after this with some more impressions, so stay tuned for that. After tensioning and looping the Wuque Mini with Traxxas 50K and SES Lunar, it is much smoother and faster. The inner and outer layers are much more stable and consistent than my AoSu GTS-M, which after around 500 solves got really mushy and gross. The magnets in this cube are not too strong, and they keep the puzzle in the perfect shape for the whole solve. I think after 50 to 100 solves, this cube will easily outperform other 4x4s, and as of now, it is my new main. As for the logos, I'm really happy with how they turned out. They look really nice on all my cubes and will distinguish them from others at competitions. If you see me at Connect Community 2018, feel free to ask me and I'd be happy to give one to you. That's all for this video. Keep an eye out for a full review of the Wuque Mini coming in the next week or two after I break it in all the way. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.